this Godzilla can move his arms and to the other side. So he can move his arms and his feet and his tail. And he can open his mouth. This this Godzilla came from Lazada. I ordered it in my birthday, so it came from and this this is this gift is from my auntie. He gave it from me, so he's hiding from there for a long time. So so so, but there's more than this. So the box here there's around them Mutant and Godzilla and collect them all. So so hi. Okay. So bye and peace.